Welcome to Browser in Seconds. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to save tabs here in Google Chrome on a PC. So this is very helpful. For example, you're going to need a reference to that website for next time you open your laptop or any other time, so you don't want to manually find it again. So for example, we have this website, it's IKEA. So on the address bar on the right side, you can see this star icon. You can click bookmark this tab and just click done. You can rename the bookmark and put it in a specific folder, click done. Another way to do that is if you go these three vertical dots and then hover over bookmarks and list and click bookmark this tab. So once you go here, like once you open a new tab, we save it in the new folder. So as you can see, the IKEA website is here. So the next time you visit Chrome, you can easily find the website that you saved. Thank you and see you in the next video.